Everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. So here we will be doing this reading, that is willpower. Okay, so that was part of 21 October 2023. Date doesn't matter. If you can score good in this reading, then immediately book your exam. I'm telling you. Okay, so here this is, as I told you, IELTS IELTS exam reading is this. So here we can see the paragraphs, and for this reading we will be doing true, false, not given, and list of people, and last question is multiple choice question. And here in this 1 to 7 question, if you can 6 correct answers, then your standard is good. You are easily getting more correct answers. Okay, now first number question says, how to do true, false, not given. It's important to follow the strategy. Always read the question statement, try to understand its meaning, and then come out with important keywords. Okay, so here I can see success in life and most significant. Instead of most significance, you can get any other word instead of most significant, and determining in success in life. Okay, second also you can read, so that it will be easier for you to get the location. If suppose, because finding a location for first question is difficult in most of the reading, and along with second question keyword we can easily find, if we can easily find second question location, then of course definitely the location of first question will be above the second question location. Okay, free time is here, people is here, have better willpower. Okay, have better willpower. Okay, let's go to first paragraph. You do it with me, you will get more benefit. I am showing paragraph along with the question statement. So do practice with me. So here first question says willpower most significant in success in life. Although willpower, okay, does not shape our decisions, okay, it determines. So determine word is also there. See this, determining whether and how long we can follow through on them. It almost single-handedly determine life outcome. Life word is also there. It means yes, this is the location. Life outcome means success or failure, we can say. Life is also there, determining is also there. Now willpower is the most significant factor. So here although word they have started and comma, here this is the weaker side of the sentence, and here this is important thing they are saying. It determines whether and how long we can follow through on them. It almost single-handedly determines. Single-handedly means most importantly factor in determining life outcomes. So everything is given, so what we can get it, this is true. Okay, now second question, people with more free time. So here in this question statement, we are lucky that we have got some words, we have matched some words, so that we that's why we have got this location. People with more free time typically have better willpower. Okay, now second question, free time. I am looking for, research suggests free time. Instead of free time, we can get any other word like synonym also. That's why I am reading it thoroughly. Impedient to making beneficial life changes. There are, however, misunderstandings surrounding the nature of willpower. There is a widespread misperception. Example, leisure time. So what is this? Leisure time is your free time. Okay. Have better willpower. People with more free time have better willpower. Okay. There is a widespread misperception. Misperception is there. Means whatever they are saying here, that is wrong. That increased leisure time would lead to subsequent increases in willpower. So everything we have got it, but if you just read this sentence, increased leisure time would lead to subsequent increase in willpower, same thing is given, but before in the same sentence they are saying there is a widespread misperception, that's why it is false. Now third question, willpower mostly applies to matters of diet and exercise. Okay, mostly applies. First we will find diet and exercise. There may be synonym. Second paragraph, first we have done. Concept of willpower is often explained through single word terms at resolve or drive. It refers to variety of behavior and situation. There is a common perception that willpower entails restricting some kind of treat, such as sugary drink or lazy morning, in favor of decisions that we know are better for us, such as drinking water, and going to gym. Going to gym is exercise. Okay, willpower mostly applies to matter. There is a common perception that willpower entails resisting applies, so this is opposite. So resisting some kind of a treat. So resisting means not applying, such as a sugar drink or this, in favor of decisions that we know are better for us, such as drinking or going to. Everything we have got. Of course, this is a familiar phenomenon for us, yet willpower also involves elements. See, this also involve elements such as overriding negative process. So another thing also they have given. So here they have given mostly applied. That's why it is false. Okay, because another thing also involves. That's why we are marking it false. Fourth number. The strongest indicator of willpower is the ability to choose long-term rather than short-term rewards. Okay, ability, long-term, short-term, and strongest indicator we can just find. Okay, next paragraph we will, oh no, something is also left here. At the heart of any exercise of willpower, however, is the notion of delayed gratification, which involves resisting immediate satisfaction for a course that will yield greater or more permanent satisfaction in the long run. Long run is also there, but I am looking for ability and short term also. Let's find, and let's read the again. However, is the notion of delayed gratification, which involves resisting immediate satisfaction for a course that will yield greater or more permanent satisfaction in the long run. Strongest, no, actually everything is not matching. That's why I am not reading it again. So in next paragraph we can find ability short term also. Okay, so general investigation, why some individuals, genetic, environment, origins of this ability remain a mystery for now. Some groups who are particularly vulnerable to reduced willpower capacity, such as indicative personality, may claim a biological origin. What is clear is that levels of willpower typically remain consistent over time, and individuals from early childhood to their adult years demonstrate, okay, consistency. In the short term word is here, see this. So ability also I can see. In the short term, however, our ability to draw on willpower can fluctuate dramatically due to factors fatigue, diet and stress. Okay, now we have got the exact location here. The strongest indicator of willpower is the ability to choose long term rather than short term rewards. So that is correct actually. Okay, why? Because in short term our ability to draw on willpower can fluctuate, but here it means opposite thing they have given, and same thing here they have given here. They are giving more good thing about long term. Delay gratification, which involves resisting immediate satisfaction, greater or more permanent satisfaction. So here greater means stronger, you can strongest indicator of willpower. So it is false, sorry, true. See this. Now next fifth question. Fifth question says researchers have studied the genetic basis of willpower. Next question is level of, so level word was here. See this level of willpower, it means fifth question location maybe here. So here perceptions are always there, exceptions are always there, because fourth question location we have found here also and here also short term, but here they are saying levels. So levels word is in sixth question and genetic word I can see here. Let's find the fifth question answer. Researchers have studied the genetic basis of willpower. Okay, making general investigations into why scientists, means these are researchers, why some individuals are better able than others to delay gratification and thus employ their willpower, but the genetic or environmental origins of this ability remain a mystery for now. So mystery for now means yes, everything they have given, but what about, they have not studied the genetic basis of genetic willpower. So what we can write? True, false or not given. Investigations have studied the known. They have studied into why some individuals are better able than others to delay gratification and thus employ their willpower. But the genetic environment, genetic or Oh, no, it is not exactly matching, so we can mark it exactly matching. How? Genetic or environmental origins of this ability remain a mystery for now, so that's why it is not given. 6 number, levels. Level word is here. I will show you full location, then you find it. So 6 number, levels. Levels of willpower usually stay the same throughout our lives. Okay, so if the levels of willpower usually stay same throughout our lives, then true. If the levels of willpower stay different or fluctuate throughout the lives, then false will be there. So here what is clear is that levels of willpower typically remain consistent over time. Okay, from early childhood to their adult years. It means consistent means remain same. Okay, so here we can mark it true. Now next, 7th, regular physical exercise improves our willpower ability. Okay, physical exercise. Now this paragraph here, nothing is about physical exercise. Let's move to the next page. Now we are looking for physical exercise. Okay, so physical word I can see here. Galliot suggests that willpower, even in the absence of physical activity, both requires and drains blood glucose levels, suggesting that willpower operates more or less like a muscle, like a muscle require fuel for function. Levels of willpower, regular physical exercise improves our willpower ability. Suggests that willpower in the absence of physical activity both improves our willpower ability. So but they are even in the absence of physical activity. So no, they are not talking about relating thing. Regular physical exercise is not given, only physical exercise activity they have given, and absence, they are saying absence, everything they are talking about absence kind of thing. So we can write it not given.